Kittle, and this is my 4th year as the director of the STEM Signature Program. The STEM Signature Program is K through 12. In kindergarten, students start with science and dedicated design classes where they learn things about researching in depth into different scientific phenomenon and also designing experiments. And as they move to more advanced levels, they are given the opportunity to start specializing. They can take electives in topics that they find really interesting, things like marine biology or microbiology, or they could specialize in engineering and take courses that really interest them. This culminates in the STEM capstone, where students are given the opportunity to design a research experience around whatever topic they choose. They get to work on this for an entire year and fully get an independent, authentic research experience similar to what you would do as an undergraduate researcher. One of the unique features of the STEM Signature Program here at Bullis is all of the resources that our students have available to them in the Bit Lab, from the 3D printers, the laser cutters, the fashion technology equipment. So if students have interests, we are able to facilitate them. Every student who participates in the STEM capstone walks away with independent critical thinking skills and the ability to communicate at many different levels, both in depth, but also to a broader, wide audience with just a general scientific knowledge. I care about STEM because it gives someone an opportunity to explore things on so many different levels. So those skills of researching, of managing your time, of documenting your work, of creating a communication at the end of the project that people can understand is something that you can apply to any field, not just STEM.